Hello, my African brother and sister. Today, like you always know my video, your Ombulege, Andrew Oyemi. This time, I'm not going to speak big English. I'm going to speak that pidgin, that English way me and you understand. Because the thing where I want to discuss, it really touched my heart. Not be only touch my heart, it touched my spirit. Not only my spirit, it even touched my soul deep in me. I am not happy. Now, 2 days ago, one of my friends just called me, say, see wetin dey happen. Another sister called me because I dey do counseling. They said this issue don dey bother them, make I do video, may I share am. This issue dey bother me too. And this issue has to do with, I title am African Abroad. It takes a village to raise a child. As I dey yarn, there are 3 types of students where we dey raise for obodo oyinbo for abroad. The first one is the excellent student. The second one na im be the good student. The third one na im dey call average student. Brothers and sisters, you see the abroad where we dey so. The excellent student no be saying sabi all the book o. But the reason why the excellent student dey do well be say everybody dey support am. In parent dey support am. In family, in parent family dey support am. Everybody wey dey around am dey support am. That's why the student remain excellent. That's why the student dey get good grade. That's why the student dey do everything fine o, because everybody support am. That's why the student pass well well. E dey do everything, dey get all the award because e get support. Most support be parents. I go talk more about this parenting in my next video called African Abroad Misplaced Priorities. Okay, now make we talk about the good student. You see the excellent student, because e dey get all the support, e dey do fine. But if e come reach time where e no dey get all the support, na that time that student from excellent wey dey get all the award, wey dey do all the homework, wey dey do all the homework, wey dey submit the homework in class on time, if one of him parents or the two of him parents come dey do small job, maybe they do 2 jobs, they no get time to check him homework, that excellent student go move from excellent, e go move to good. If you become good student, that means say the pikin now come dey e go dey patch. Maybe na 10 homework e supposed to do for a whole semester. The good student go only do 7. Pikin wey dey do 10 before, e come begin do 7. Maybe sometimes because parents too busy, the student no dey even dey do the 7 sef, e dey do 5. If you reach school, the student no dey pay attention how much. But because the pikin no book naturally, the pikin go pass. The parent go happy, say their pikin dey do well. But instead of the pikin be who is supposed to be, the pikin no get that enough potential. That's why he's a good student, because he sabi book small, and the ginger, he just remains small. Now me I talk about the last student wey be the average student. Probably before the pikin is sabi book, e dey get 90, 100 wey be excellent, because e dey get support of him parent and of him other family member. E come reach one level, maybe e no dey get that full support, come become good student. Now for the average student, e no come dey get support at all. Pikin no dey do homework. If they even do the homework, nobody dey check the homework to see say whether the pikin do the homework well abi no do am well. As we go patch am, pikin come begin go school. E no dey pay attention because either there is an issue in the family, probably papa and mama no get time. Maybe the mama wey even dey do help the pikin do the homework, e no even sabi book. Maybe the pikin don even go another grade, the pikin no even sabi the book, the pikin no go do well. Pikin wey go be excellent, wey fall to good, come become average. The pikin come dey panic, patch because the pikin just sabi book, but the pikin no dey do well. If the pikin come house, no do well, the parent begin blame and say the pikin no know book. Now, you just hear about an excellent student, an average, and a good student. Now, I'm talking to you, my brother. Yeah, you brother, when they listen to me. And my sister, when they listen to me. Which children, which of these three ones you want make your child be? Or which of these three ones where your child be? Which of these three ones you want make your child maintain? E dey for your hand. If you come obodo oyinbo, you say you no want help your pikin do homework, e dey your hand. If you dey help your pikin do homework, you think say make you go work on that job, e dey your hand. If you dey help your pikin, you see say you no see sabi the book, you no wan get help for your pikin, e dey your hand. The choice is always yours. Remember, we all of us dey abroad. Remember, it's not only you dey raise the pikin, no. You want the future of the pikin to be bright tomorrow. You don't want the future of the pikin to be like your own, or make it even better pass your own. That is why you bring them come abroad. That is why you born them from abroad, making better. The choice is yours. Always remember, it takes a village to raise a child. Make you and your husband, make you and your wife, make your siblings, everybody put them together to take raise that pikin. Make it move from average to good, and from good to excellent. Now, thank you, my people. I hope say you enjoyed the video. You want more? Make you click like, or make you subscribe. If you subscribe, make you click that bell where they do bing 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 bing, call notification bell. That one na him go tell me say you want to dey hear me to dey yarn correct things like this for you. My people for abroad, make una hear me so. Bye bye.